Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, it's going to be a very short video. Just wanted to do a quick announcement for you guys. It's been a long time since I've come out with a course, and I have just launched my course this morning. It's kind of a soft launch. I'm not really doing any major marketing for this course, but I just wanted to get this out to you guys. It's a very straightforward, simple to follow course. It is about how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software. Now, I've been using a lot of AI software in my business over the last year, and it's helped me grow followers. It's helped me grow YouTube channels, monetize YouTube channels, and so forth. And I wanted to just put it all into a concise, really easy to digest, over-the-shoulder training, and that's exactly what you get in this course, how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software. You can go click on the link below, go check it out, and you can also watch the video over here, which I actually did use in one of the softwares that I will be teaching in the course. Now you can see, scroll down and see information. Now it's not this full-blown sales page or anything like that. It just basically tells you exactly what you will learn. You'll learn how to write video scripts extremely fast using artificial intelligence, and these will be high quality, human readable, right? And then how to take your script and turn it into a voiceover with the click of a button. So these will be 100% human sounding voices. There are a lot of text-to-speech softwares out here, but there's only one that dominates all the rest and is amazing and sounds, you can't even tell the difference that it was text-to-speech. Super amazing, and you'll probably never go to Fiverr and hire a voiceover artist again once I tell you about this software. And then you'll learn how to take your script and your voiceover that you already got created with artificial intelligence, and you'll be able to go and use another AI software to put it all together and automatically make a video. And we'll be using a software that does even more than a Vidnami. So Vidnami's gone, we can't use that, but we do have some other software alternatives that do just as good or better, and in some circumstances that I'll go over, actually better, has more offers and more features than Vidnami ever did. So pretty awesome stuff, and it syncs, instantly syncs to the voiceover, so it saves you a ton of time in the video editing process. So you could get videos up very, very quickly, probably in 30 minutes to an hour if you really wanted to with these methods. So this is it's going to be, the course consists of 7 videos. It's 1 hour in length, right? And you guys know my teaching style is just straight to the point. It's not scripted. I just show you everything that I do, everything that I know, and so forth. So wanted to show you this course. You guys can go pick it up. The link will be below. Now it is launching for $59. I think that's a good price point. I don't want to charge $100 or $200, being that it's only an hour-long course. I wanted to be fair, so it falls around the $59 price point. But however, because this is a launch just to my subscribers, and we are right at December 21st, so Christmas is in just a few days, I wanted to, of course, give you guys a really, really good discount on this course. And so what I've done is I have created a 60% off coupon, a 60% off coupon from what the normal price will be. And so all you have to do is, if you click the link below, you'll be taken to the payment processing page, and there'll be a discount code field. If you put in 2021 Christmas, so put this discount code in, I'll put this below as well, 2021 Christmas, then you will get 60% off. I think the course ends up being about $23. So the course ends up being $23 instead of $59. So usually 50% discounts are about the highest that most people go. I don't know if I've ever offered a 60% discount, but I am on this course, and you're going to need to pick it up pretty soon, because on January 1st, I'll give you guys January 1st as the last day, the benefit of a doubt. Start the new year off getting a new course, learning a new skill. But after the January 1st, it will go up to the $59 everyday price point. So you have about a week and a half. Usually marketers don't also tell you when they're ending and all that, because they want to give you like some scare scarcity. Oh, this is going away. This is only available for 24 hours. But hopefully you guys will pick it up right away, and you're going to get that massive discount, only $23, and it's only good until January 1st. So just to show you inside real quick, this is the back end. It's hosted on Gumroad. I think that's just a great platform to host your courses. I probably actually will do some type of teaching or course on how to launch courses on Gumroad. I've had a lot of success. I've made thousands of dollars on Gumroad. It's just easy to upload your courses. It just cuts down the time. When you label your videos like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, when you upload them, they just automatically get put in the right order. It uploads right away, and you can have a course up and running within literally 10 minutes on Gumroad, and there's no other platform that will allow you to do that. So really, really good stuff. But you're going to get a nice intro video, then you're going to get the software that you need, then you're going to write your script, you're going to create your voiceover, create your video, and then you're going to publish your video and then have a conclusion. So like I said, you're learning one skill here, how to create a video extremely fast using the highest quality AI technology, which is script writing, voiceovers, and creating the video. So this is not a full-fledged master class course, 12 hours long. This is, you're learning, it's a 1-hour course. You're learning a skill, how to make videos, and you can go out and make full-fledged YouTube videos, YouTube channels with the knowledge that you gain in this course, and get them monetized and so forth. And then, you guys can write the rest of your story from there. But hopefully you guys will go pick this up, get that discount, and I'll see you on the inside.